Welcome to IDB, everybody. It is Andrew here. iOS 11.3 Beta 3 has been released upon us. It's coming in around 360 some megs for my iPhone 10. Now, there are a few notable changes here. Firstly, and to me most importantly, AirPlay 2 is nowhere to be seen. You can no longer cast your audio to multiple rooms or multiple speakers simultaneously. Also, if you jump into the Home app, the Apple TV is nowhere to be found. In my living room, I used to have my Apple TV here. In the first two betas, that's gone. I can no longer control it from the Home app, and on the Apple TV itself, if you jump into settings under AirPlay, you used to be able to choose which HomeKit room to place your Apple TV in. That is no longer there. It's back to the old, just simple naming convention. This is such a big disappointment to me. I was really looking forward to AirPlay 2 for the HomePod, for Apple TVs, and third-party speakers. We were hoping that we'd see this released with, we'd hope to see AirPlay 2 released with iOS 11.3, but that does not look to be the case. We also are seeing that this new beta now supports the iPod Touch. The first two betas of 11.3 did not include that support. Bringing a Geekbench multi-score gives us a single score of 4,100 and a multi-score of around 10,000, so pretty par for the course, no huge detriments to speed or anything like that in this latest beta so far. While we do see AirPlay 2 disappearing, there are still a ton of other new features to be excited about coming in iOS 11.3, including a new video section inside of the News app, messages in iCloud, new privacy pages, splash screens in other areas, iBooks being renamed, hopefully with a new Books application, Feedback app is back, App Store follows tech sizes, new ARKit features. Of course, we're also going to have several new Animoji, 4 new ones here: bear, skull, or skeleton, dragon, lion, super awesome. Health Kit now works with different providers to actually have your test results show up right inside of your health app. It's super awesome, but still no AirPlay 2. So let us know what you guys think or any other changes that you find down below in the comments. Go ahead and subscribe, and until next time, this is Andrew for IDB.